March 18th, 2024. A Walmart in Los Angeles. Officers responded to a shoplifting call. Loss prevention had been watching Charlene for several minutes before any uniform arrived. She swapped store shoes for her own in the shoe aisle, hid her old pair behind other merchandise, and placed a shirt and pants into her purse, all of it on store surveillance.
Hi, you still here?
Yes, yes, sir. Sorry, ma'am. I've been watching this now here. So, the shoes she has on, those are her dirty shoes, and those are our shoes. And then she concealed in her bag, I think, a shirt, and I'm not sure he still has the pants on him, but I think she has jewelry as well. But I didn't see her. But what I did see was that those shoes are ours.
We got 2 more coming. I'm gonna send it to them, please.
So, I know you guys are busy. Do you want to just approach on the floor? You want to let them? I don't know how long they're going to be shopping.
One just got here, so when she pulls, I'll see what she wants.
Hi.
Hello. Sorry.
No, it's okay. So those are our shoes. Those are her dirty shoes.
Okay.
And then she has some stuff in her purse. Okay. That is ours as well. I don't know what you guys want to do. I know you guys are busy, so do you want to approach on the floor and just?
No, we're gonna need to have her actually try to exit.
Okay.
Because at this point, she could try to say like, well, I'm still gonna pay from, so she would have to bypass all the points still.
Okay. Okay. No worries.
So we can try to see where she's at. She's in the back right now?
Yeah, hopefully they're almost done. And James, we're gonna wait till she passes. Huh?
No, I'll do that for a moment.
I think I have, well, these are mediums, so I don't know.
I'll just...
Oh, why?
Yes. And well, the pants are gone too. I was like, negative, they want to wait till she passes point of sale.
Yeah, because we had that issue yesterday where we had a subject for fraud because he grabbed merchandise and exchanged it for money. Mm-hmm. But since technically you can still purchase at customer service, the other concealed stuff are like, well, we can't. Yeah. That could get flipped saying, well, he was still gonna pay for it.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. Yeah. No. I just didn't know because sometimes when PD shows up, they're like, "Oh, we're really busy, so we're just gonna go approach on the floor, get the stuff back, and blah blah."
Yeah.
But yeah, so I just never know, you know. Which one is that?
I mean, we can hang for a little, but I mean,
so hopefully they'll be on their way out. I'm not sure.
And it's just her so far.
It's her. He's with her, but
he.
And then
you don't have anything for sure on him though.
No, she's the one that's concealing everything. Okay. Where is she? Ah, there she is.
You guys know who she is?
No, I don't.
I feel like I've seen that hair.
I mean, if anything, I'll have her on the shoes. Those are her shoes, so that's probably one of the partners.
We're just trying to see if she's gonna actually try to dip.
Where are her old shoes at?
Right here.
Where'd she leave them?
She left them at in the shoe aisle. She like put them behind other shoes.
Okay.
So I said, well, if anything, I know she has stuff in that purse that belong to us, but that in fact, like if I have anything, those are ours. So I have her on the shoes.
No worries.
And I don't know. They had pants and a shirt, and I think they're in there, but he keeps grabbing stuff, so I don't know. And then they keep going into corners.
Okay.
So maybe they'll go pay now. Who knows? Hopefully, so we can just be done with this. Mm-hmm. Where'd they go?
No, go to the right.
Ah, they're there. Okay, so that looks like they're about to pay.
Okay, and they're coming.
Hopefully. And they are going to be towards GM side, so maybe. Let's see.
I'll go over there. I'll be on 3. Okay. Oh, you wait.
So yeah, if anything, we have her on the shoes, so for sure. That's a for sure go. And maybe she'll pay for the shoes. Maybe she won't.
Do you guys know what for sure that she put in the bag?
Well, she had shirt, a blue shirt, and a pair of pants. So, but I didn't see her put it because she got into a corner where I couldn't see. I have someone on the floor, but
no one saw her for sure put them back or put them in her bag.
No. So see how full it is? Yes.
Right.
But no. But the shoes for sure. Okay. But we
okay.
Hopefully we can get maybe something. So he's gonna go pay and she's gonna walk out.
Okay.
Hey Juan, can you go over to GM please?
16 on 3? So it looks like the guy's paying, so if anything, it would just be the female, but she kind
Yeah.
of stepped away from him real quick. So if anything, just
Yeah,
detain
they're
her,
checking out,
and
but-
he'll be good to go.
We're about to make an approach right now. There's an officer out there at GM because I think they're gonna walk out, so. But the gentleman's paying, but she has stuff. She has her shoes. Jeez, some of these cameras aren't working.
Go to
Just stay right there, one on 32. And it's the female with the yellow, but I have the police
Yeah,
officer
Mel's
right
checking
there.
out right now. If you want to wait for her like in the vestibule, just that way it's like undisputed.
Where is she? Where'd she go?
Go to 13.
Negative. James, do you see the female? Oh, there she is.
Okay, she's gonna.
They might see the officer right there, so.
I think they might have saw you.
Can't work. Oh, look. She's gonna put her purse down.
If you want, just maybe wait outside. I'll let you know if they start heading out.
Oh, she's gonna leave her purse. She dumped her purse.
Okay.
Yeah, she dumped it. Hold on.
Yeah, she ditched her
No,
purse.
she's ditching her purse. They're gonna walk out. Hold on. She ditched her purse and season. Can you please go get it?
Yeah, she saw the shoes. They're heading towards the exit right now.
She still has
Like
her
I
shoes
said,
on.
just a female.
How's it going, buddy?
Yeah, you did.
You didn't even look at the pictures when I came in.
We have your old shoes.
We got your old shoes in the
Transfer you back,
office.
okay?
I'm wearing the same shoes I wore.
Okay. Well, we have your old shoes in the asset protection office. So, you're just detained right now? Okay.
Are you placed under arrest?
You're just detained right now.
That's not an answer. But
You are just detained right now. That's the answer.
okay. Let me see if I got court keys.
You're good to go, buddy. You paid.
That's my husband. He's not leaving me.
Okay.
You got me.
Well, we're gonna go to the asset protection office, so you can wait outside.
He can't come with me, then I'm not going. I don't trust. I'm not going to go into a room full of men. You got me. You're insane.
My camera's on.
I don't care.
Okay. Well, there's the females in there.
The camera was on when you guys knee on that guy's neck too, but
I didn't knee on anyone's neck.
No, but LCD did.
Who? Who's
That's
neck?
why he's in jail.
Who's neck?
Valenzuela.
We didn't knee on his neck. 11/16 such. I got a 41 detainee.
Have a
She's
female
in the
come?
asset protection office. We gotta walk
Can
over
my
there.
husband come with me?
She can wait outside the office. Ma'am, come on. You said you have somewhere to be. Let's make this quick.
Alright, can I just take the shoes off and be on my
You
way?
passed all points of purchase, so you're gonna get charged with shoplifting.
I'm not past all points of purchase.
This is
One
points-
more door right there. See?
Okay.
You can let go of me. If you squeeze me any harder, I'm gonna...
You want to take her because she's threatening to.
I don't want a male putting their hands on me, please.
Okay. Alrighty, ma'am. Let me have a seat on the bench, right? Alright, ma'am. So they have you on camera, swapping out your shoes,
Hey, can I see?
putting items in your purse, okay?
I didn't leave with that.
Okay.
So
No, I understand. We're not worried about that.
I was using it as a shopping bag.
That's okay.
What we're concerned about right now is just the shoes.
That's fine. Can I have my ticket so I can go?
Okay. We're gonna get done when we're done, okay? You don't run this.
Alright, well then, are you gonna pick up my daughter from the daycare?
No. So, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer, have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you for any question if you wish. You can decide any time to exercise these rights and not answer any more questions or make any statements. Do you understand?
Am I being placed under arrest?
Very nice. You are.
I thought I was just being detained.
No, you are detained, but we have video.
You are now. You're.
Yeah, now you're arrested because we do have you on video footage swapping your shoes and trying to walk out of the store.
It's a $10 ticket. Like it's a $10.
Okay, well actually I can't take you to jail. So, you want to talk about what happened?
I just need your shoes.
Okay. What's your name?
For assignments, so I can give my daughter my shoes.
Don't shoplift.
Okay, so my daughter then?
That's not what I'm saying. She told me to stand by. Maybe she'll give you a better chow too, at least.
Okay.
Shoplifting, disorderly conduct, and resisting and obstructing.
I didn't resist or obstruct.
Well, you have three immunities, so
You have a warrant.
Wait, what are you talking
I'm
about?
direct. You confirm? So you're going to jail today, actually.
I have warrants for what?
I said shoplifting, disorderly conduct, resisting, restraining, or evading an officer.
So whatever incident you had prior,
So-
you didn't show up to court, sounds like?
They could just be simple FTAs.
I've never had a f***ing...
Okay. But
Well, it comes back to your social security number, so
It goes back to my name and social security number.
yeah, I ran you by your
I've never
social.
had a case in muni court.
Okay, regardless, you're not taking it to court, sort that with them. We're not gonna be here during the discern it. It's in your name, it's to your social, it's for you.
Am I gonna have a bond?
That's,
Well, I don't know.
We'll find out right now. You sure you don't want to take your...
Yeah, those are
Okay, cool.
What's your husband's name?
Joseph.
Okay.
I have a warrant. Municipal. That. Call my mom. She'll post my bond. Mom will post my bond. It's for some bullshit immunity. Resisting and disorderly conduct. Back in 2018. Garbage. Do you have anything that sticks to ibuprofen, ma'am? No, ma'am.
All right, cool.
All right.
That's crazy. I know, I'm like, I'll toss this in real quick.
All right, Charlene. So you're being trespassed from every Walmart. That includes here, Ricanava, Sonoma Ranch, Wallen, every Walmart in Las Cruces. Okay. So it just says that if you come back to the Walmart, if you're even in the parking lot, they take a picture of you, anything like that, we either arrest you on the spot or we put a warrant out for your arrest. Do you understand? Do you have any questions?
Any songs you want to listen to, Charlene?
No. As I get this done so I can post my bond and get home.
Alright. That's good to go. And then, you know, I'm not booking you in jail on the shoplifting. That'll still just be a citation. Just go take care of it, all that jazz. You know, don't let it get to this point.
No, see, I think I'm like back in 2018. I know I've had fines and I don't know if I paid them all. That's probably all it is. It's like $30.
It be like that sometimes, so handle your scandal. Alright. Yeah, it's gonna be failure to appear for resisting, obstructing, evading, failure to appear for disorderly, and same thing for shoplifting, so. Yeah, that's all it says. It doesn't really give much other than that. I'm not. Let's see here. No problem, course amount. Looks like 200 for one, 100 for another, and this one has no bond. Alright, man, let's get that.
Officers chose not to approach on the floor. Wait for her to pass every register. That call sealed the arrest. Once she cleared every point of purchase without paying, the I was going to pay defense was gone. Before officers moved in, Charlene spotted police near the exit and abandoned her purse in a seasonal aisle. California courts treat that as consciousness of guilt probative, not conclusive. It also handed officers additional evidence without any coercion. Her husband paid at a register and was released. No confirmed concealment on him. Terry versus Ohio requires individualized suspicion for each detained person. It was not there, and releasing him was the correct call. Detention authority comes from California Penal Code 490.5, the Merchant Privilege Statute. Probable cause plus a reasonable manner. Both satisfied here. The officer then narrowed the charge to the shoes. Only focused probable cause on the clearest evidence is the hardest to challenge. Charlene asked, "Am I being detained or arrested?" A legally informed question. The answer determines which rights apply next. The officer declared arrest and read Miranda immediately complete, correct sequence, before any questioning began. Miranda versus Arizona sets the trigger at custody plus intent to question. Arrest first, advisement second, then questioning. Many officers invert this. When they do, statements taken before the advisement become inadmissible. The prosecution loses evidence it could have used. Running her ID revealed warrants from around 2018 failure to appear on resisting, disorderly conduct, and shoplifting. 6 years old. Still enforceable. The officer split the tracks correctly. Shoplifting goes cite and release under California Penal Code 853.6. The warrants triggered the booking. Before transport, she was trespassed from every Los Angeles Walmart under California Penal Code 602. Parking lot included. Re-entry means immediate arrest or a new warrant. That notice converts the next visit from ambiguous to criminal. Responding officer, B+. Probable cause solid. Miranda sequenced correctly. Cite versus booking distinction communicated clearly. Points off for not stating the arrest basis on camera before the declaration, and for the early confusion about the husband's status. Loss prevention. B. The surveillance work drove this entire case. Waiting for point-of-sale bypass showed real legal awareness. But only the shoes were confirmed airtight. The purse contents were never verified at contact. Charlene, C+. Legally aware during detention, complied once seated, did not physically escalate. 6 years of missed court appearances turned a small citation into a booking. The warrants put her in jail, not the shoes. The husband, A-. Paid, stayed calm, walked out clean. 3 takeaways. The point-of-sale rule is the difference between a clean arrest and a dismissed case. Wait for the bypass every time. Warrants from 2018 were fully alive 6 years later. Old charges do not disappear. On Miranda, wrong sequencing voids otherwise usable statements. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to break down in the comments. Thank you for watching. Check out our channel for more police interaction and courtroom content.